Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold after making a low of around 1813, we have seen a swing has formed and there is a continuous upside. Okay, the CPI data has come where we have seen a fall, but because of the war situation we have seen there is a continuous upside in the silver as well as gold. Okay, overall trend, if you see after the October, first week of October, we have seen there is a continuous trend. Okay, if we didn't see this particular zone. Okay, now if we go beyond 2023, you will understand there are similar patterns forming. Okay, this is the first pattern and the other pattern is 2 years pattern. This is an 8-month pattern, this is a 2-year pattern. Okay, this is also creating a same pattern. Okay, what it is saying that whenever it is hitting its new high, a fall is coming and then after that there is a continuous upside. Okay, that is how it is going upside. A cup pattern is forming. Now if you look at this particular chart, what trend we can see looking at this particular chart for next 2 days. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, if you are looking for a longer view we can see that if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 1925, chances are very high it will move further upside, and a probability that it can go towards 1947 and then can go towards a level of around 1960 and then further high, because there is a clear pattern forming and chances are very high if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 1920, a further upside movement we can see. But if the price fall, okay, because if we look at this particular pattern for a longer view, that means it's not for a longer view means that if it is to go beyond 6 months, okay, or short view we can say for a month or two, okay, or even a week. So till the time it is not going below a level of 1900, we will not see a fall. Okay, once started going below 1900, there is a probability that we can see further down, because if we see opposite cup pattern is forming, so chances are high it can go further down. So let's see if the price sustain this level, what we can see. Suppose if the price sustain this level, then next resistance coming at a level of $1926.28, and if the price sustain above that particular level, we can see it can cross that level and can go towards a level of around 1928.65. okay, and once the price move above a level of 1928.65, then chances are high it can cross a level of around 1928.65 and can go towards a level of 1933.58, which is already being a weak resistance. Keep that in mind, weak resistance. So chances are it will cross that level and can go towards a level of around 1937.34. okay, and this level is also being tested, so chances are high it will cross that level and can go towards a level of around 1947 after crossing a level of 1937, which is also being weak resistance, and this is also being weak resistance. So chances are high after this the probability of touching 1947 is there, and from there a probability of touching 1953 we can see. Okay, and if the price keeps sustaining, a further upside movement we can see, because there will be a zone breakout and chances of that it can go towards 1957, then to a level of 1965 and then further upside. Okay, so any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I'm going to mail ID is also in the description. Now understand, market is uncertain. If you are thinking it will move, as per you know it will not. Okay, if so, always try to set your SL, so it will save your capital. Always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things are very important. Okay, market will not make a sharp rise or a sharp fall till the time there is no big event is coming or there is not a breakout happening. Okay, so suppose if the price did sustain, we can see it can come down again towards its next support coming at a level of $1920.78. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of 1916.07 is there, and once the price fall below 1916.07, then we can see it can go towards a level of 1913.72. okay, if the price fall below 1917.06, then a probability of going towards 1912 we can see, and once the price started falling below that level, a probability of going towards 1909 is there. Okay, once the price fall below 1909, then chances of touching a level of 1903 also we can see. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain, then chances of going towards a level of around 1920 will be there, and from there we can see a level of 1918, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards 1912, then to a level of 9. So once the price started falling below 1902, then a probability of moving further low below 1900 can touch a level of around 1885. Okay, so once the price fall below 1885, then a further downfall $29, and then from there a further downfall we can see in the price of gold. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've got the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.